Canada visa refused? Here's what to do next. Getting a Canada visa refusal can be disheartening, especially after putting in time, effort, and money into your application. Whether it's for study, work, or permanent residency, understanding the reasons behind a refusal is crucial. This video walks you through the next steps to take after a visa rejection, helping you rebuild your path to success. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on what to do if your Canada visa application is refused, plus the latest updates from Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. 1. Understanding your visa refusal. When your visa is refused, IRCC sends you a refusal letter. This letter is your starting point because it explains why your application was denied. Common reasons include insufficient proof of funds to support yourself in Canada, lack of strong ties to your home country, making officers doubt you'll return, incomplete or incorrect documentation, concerns about your admissibility, like medical or criminal issues. Understanding the exact reason is critical, so read that letter carefully. For more details, you can request Global Case Management System notes through an Access to Information and Privacy request. This video gives you the immigration officer's detailed assessment. 2. Your options after a visa refusal. So, what's next? You have 3 main options. Request reconsideration. If you believe there was a mistake, like a misjudged document, you can ask IRCC to review your case again. Submit a web form via the IRCC website with clear evidence addressing the refusal reasons. Be polite and concise. File for judicial review. If you think the decision was unfair or unlawful, you can appeal to the Federal Court of Canada. You must act fast, 15 days for refusals from within Canada, or 60 days if you applied from outside. Reapply with a stronger application. Most temporary visa refusals, like visitor or study permits, don't have a formal appeal process. Your best bet might be to submit a new application with stronger evidence, like better financial proof or ties to your home country. For example, if your visitor visa was refused because the officer doubted you'd leave Canada, include evidence like a job letter, property ownership, or family ties back home. Don't just resubmit the same application, it won't work. 3. Latest IRCC updates for 2025. Let's talk about the latest IRCC updates as of May 2025. IRCC is dealing with a massive backlog of over 2 million applications, but they've reduced it by 31,900 for temporary residence applications from March to April 2025. That's good news for study and work permit applicants, as IRCC processed 194,000 study permits and 491,400 work permits from January to April. However, visa refusals are up. In 2024, IRCC rejected 2.36 million temporary resident applications, with study permits facing a 52% refusal rate. This is due to stricter policies to reduce temporary residents to 5% of Canada's population by 2026. So, expect more scrutiny, especially for visitor visas, where 75% of applications are in backlog. 4. Tips to avoid future refusals. To boost your chances of approval next time. Prove strong ties. Show evidence like a stable job, family, or property to prove you'll return home. Complete documentation, double-check all forms and include a letter of explanation to clarify your purpose. Stay updated. Check IRCC's website for the latest processing times and requirements. 5. Special Case, Study Permit Pilot Project. If your study permit was refused, you might be eligible for the Federal Court Study Permit Pilot Project. This allows simultaneous judicial review and leave rulings, but both you and IRCC must agree. Deadlines are tight, 15 days for in-Canada applicants, 60 days for those outside. Include your study permit application number and UCI in your request. Closing and call to action. A visa refusal isn't the end of your Canadian dream. Take the time to understand the reasons, explore your options, and come back stronger. A visa refusal doesn't mean the end of your Canadian dream, it's a temporary hurdle. With careful review, strategic planning, and the right documentation, you can improve your chances for future approval. Take the next step confidently, better informed and fully prepared. That is all for today, in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later, in the next video. Till then, take care.